we are from a small island nation. We live in harmony with our seas. We are here to protect them. We can become the guiding light through the ages of our years. We cannot turn back time, but we have today and we have tomorrow. Together towards one goal, that is to preserve and restore. Let's pass on these seas, this wildlife, and the stories of our lands for the future generations.